Day and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through how to fund your Risevest wallet with Naira. So funding your Risevest wallet with Naira can be completed easily on this app using your dedicated bank transfer, debit card or direct debit. So once you have opened the app, and what you have to do is select fund. So you can either select fund from the home screen or tap wallet just below the navigation bar. So if you tap wallet or you tap fund directly, it will take you to your wallet page. So what you have to do is choose the Naira wallet. So once you have selected your Naira wallet as your destination, if your goal is to invest in USD plans, you can fund your Naira wallet first and swap to USD inside the app. So you select your preferred funding method. Do you want to use the bank transfer, the debit card or the direct debit? You pick your choice. After then you complete your payment. So once you have completed the payment, for bank transfer you have to copy the assigned virtual account number and the bank name. So open your regular banking app and make a transfer for the amount you want to deposit. So for the direct debit or the debit card, you have to follow the on-screen prompt to input card or bank account authorization details. So once you have done either of these, confirm credit in your wallet. So once it is processed, your Naira wallet balance updates immediately. You can leave your funds in your Naira wallet, lock them in Naira vault for fixed annual interest, or swap them into USD to invest in stocks, real estate or Eurobond. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.